Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Exchange Experts. So in today's video, we're going to discuss what are all the trades that we took today, and on top of that, we're going to analyze two swing stocks for trading. And without further ado, let's dive into the video. And as you can see, so as far as today's trade, we did find an opportunity with Industrial Bank, and our entry was around 1455, and so why IndusInd Bank, and why for that particular price is that the stock had opened on a flat note, and upon opening for the first 10 to 15 minutes it broke the previous days and the past resistance. And yes, once it broke, and we took our entry, and it did kind of retraced, and it did paste up. Okay, the stock had retested the position, and then it got went up from that level, and one could have added to their position in this particular area, which is 1449, right? So from that level it made a high of 1473 people, and so in this particular trade I have a risk around 13 rupees per stock. So my entry was around 1455, and my stop loss I have placed it around 1442, right? So as soon as we enter the trade, we do two things, right? So one is we put our stop loss order, and the second is we put our take profit limit order. So as far as this trade is concerned, I've risked around 13 rupees per stock, and according to my risk management, I have entered with the three quantities, and so I have put a limit order of 1469 for this particular trade, and as soon as the price reaches that level, my stop order, my limit order got executed in that price, and we have made a profit of around 40 rupees. And that is basically 13 rupees per stock, and we have added three quantities, so that's equal to 40 rupees. And had you invested 100 quantities in this particular trade, your risk would have been 1300, and your take profit would have been more than 1300, since it made a high of 1473 and it's still running. And so Industrial Bank, it's a good trade, and we could have managed to get more than 1:1 risk reward ratio if we wouldn't have booked our quantities, whatever quantities that we bought with the limit order, right? So it does make sense when you enter with large quantities, which is 100 or 200, and you can book partial quantities, that is 50 or 100 in 1:1, and you can trial the remaining quantity as long as the stock is being made higher highs and higher lows, right? So IndusInd, that is the trade that we took today. And another trade that we have decided to trade was that UPL, right? So United Phosphorus Limited. As far as UPL is concerned, the stock has made lower highs and lower lows previously, and now it has made a equal highs and equal lows, and call it SMC or anything. And we do have an opportunity for swing trading in this particular stock, which is UPL. And yes, you can make your position in today's close, and your stop loss would be right beneath the accumulation, right? So which is around 503, and you can aim for targets level of 550, 600, 650, in that range for this particular stock. And so as far as IndusInd Bank is concerned, we have traded intraday in this particular stock. So this stock do have a market structure for swing trading, and if you take this position right here, your stop loss would be the recent swing low, right, which is 1380, in that range. And your take profit would be, you can aim for almost 1700 for the long term, and your short term targets would be around 1560, in that range, right? So you can select stocks for swing trading as well as intraday trading as well. And one advantage that we can capture in the swing trading is that the morning momentum, right? As soon as the market opens, the stock made 2 to 3% and 3 to 4% high in one single candle, right? So that momentum we could capture only if we trade with swing trading. So that is the advantage of the swing trading. And intraday, we do have to wait for the right market structure for us to give us the opportunity, and then we make our entry. And according to the setup, we make our entry, we set our stop loss, we set our take profit limit orders. So that is how intraday trade works. Whereas swing trading, those morning momentums could be easily captured, and yes, you'd have to be patient in swing trading, and you'd have to be spontaneous in intraday trading. And yes, the risk factor is also a concern in both the type of trading methods. And yes, so our risk percentage would be different in both intraday as well as swing trading. In intraday, one could easily take 2% risk per trade, whereas in swing trading, it will be more than like 5 to 10% in that range for one particular stock, right? So as long as the stock has a good market structure and right opportunity to enter, you can enter in swing trading as well as you can enter in the intraday trading as well. So that's it for today, guys. And if you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel for more informative videos like this. And until then, you go make impact, make difference. I will see you guys in the next video.